Hey, what's up you again, guys? This is Paul from Maharlikans Code. I'm a web developer, programmer by profession. I'm from the Philippines, but working here in Singapore as a software engineer. And today, I will walk through with you guys on how we can. We are about to start this TSNotify software tutorial series that I have mentioned in our previous discussions, written in pure Go. So this is our small project, guys. But this small project is a very lightweight, because we are using the Cobra application, and then we will run this as a Windows service. This is what we call the TSNotify software, guys. This is we will run this. Our objective is to notify us as a web developer or any of your system administrators that any task scheduler in Windows, as we remember that there is a Windows task scheduler, right? Then we schedule each items, whatever you want to schedule to run, like whatever, like any programs that you want to run this, and then there is a corresponding service account or whatsoever. Like if you are in the Windows in the corporate world or something like that, then there is more on group policies or restricted users, like your account has been locked, then you use this account, or you change your password every 3 months, then you forgot to change also from the Windows task scheduler. This item has been assigned or used this account to run, then this account cannot be validated anymore when the task scheduler executes this daily or hourly or something, guys. Then probably it will not run. Based on my experience, it will not run, guys, because it will prompt you an error or something like this software. Like if you have a critical applications, like you have a C# application, there are programs that you want to run this that are scheduled in every day or every midnight or something, like whatever you schedule, guys, then it will be fail, no, because it will not run because of the service account has been locked, or your account change password or something like a Windows things. Even if you remove the password expiry for this service account, then it might be a network issue, like no connectivity. Then most especially if your task scheduler, you schedule it that runs every 5 minutes or something, guys, or 1 minute, it's up to you. This is what I have experienced, and we have this that's why I come up with this solution that every time we need to notify our system administrator or something, guys, that this service account has been locked or any issue with our networks, then we cannot then this software, we have this TSNotify has been created, guys. I created this personally because I want to help our network team or systems administrator that some of our server account, or we would like to know also, because as a developer we want to know our program how has been executed. Then we have these logs also, that this period has been error or something like this program, this TSNotify that we are about to walk through, guys, in a few series here in Maharlikans Code. Then you can have this software, then it can probably help you or something for in other ways, guys. So yes, I try to share it with you, and then just subscribe to my channel if because I want to share it with you, all the source code, all the hard works there. Then you just subscribe to my channel and stay active. You can comment below, guys, so you can have all this software. So right now I share it with you. This one is written in pure Go. We call it TSNotify software. So let's dive into it. Welcome back to the channel, guys, and as usual I prepare a bit here, a small presentation here. There's a basic structures of our new project here, guys. So we call this project as a TSNotify. So I created a new package here as usual, guys. Right now we need to set up first the Go mode, because we are using the all the while we are using the what they call the Golang modules. So right now we need to specify the modules, guys. We need to issue this go mode init, then TSNotify, guys. So as you can see, there is a new, if you don't see my previous discussion regarding this how to install this Cobra, we would like to set up maybe you can take a look on my previous video regarding how to install the Cobra CLI, guys. So right now we are using this Cobra CLI, same in our previous software, which software that we are using using this Cobra CLI, guys. This what they call this software, the Go Copy software. So you can have a look on that, but if you know already, then we will proceed, guys. Now I created a new one, then I need to install the what they call this Cobra, guys. Go get then GitHub. If you don't know yet, we have this discussion also there, same thing. You can go to this github.com spf13 then Cobra. These are all the Cobra software, guys, so we can use this package. This was written in pure Go, so we can just use these guys for our Cobra CLI program. Right now we need to create a new folder here called CMD, as this is the naming convention from the Cobra itself, guys. So they require this CMD folder here, and then we need to create a new file. This file we call it the root.go, guys. So this root.go is we need to set up the package there as what they call this CMD. So this CMD, then we also need to create something there, guys. So hold on for a while. Okay, guys, so we need to set up again here the root.go. Then we need to have some constant here, guys. I need to have some basic information first. I need to set up the SMTP port. As usual, we need to use these guys later on when we notify the this one is a default, guys, so we just say set default as port number 25. Normally it's a port number 25, guys. So these are all the things here. First I set up here, this one is a common, guys, so later I will just create this first. Later we will create a new command for the Cobra, and then the email template. So because we need to notify, guys, this one is the email template for the task. This one is for the task. Later I will just inform you guys, we will need this later part. So right now okay, then the email, what do you call, time extra letter. So it's just this one is just our basic configuration, guys, and then our timestamp here, time format for this is the standard for Go, guys, so no need to worry much about this. Here is a standard format. There's something like maybe you plan to change the time in Golang, guys. The time format is, there is an actual time here, like 03, 04 and 305. This is the actual format. For other format, guys, is like if you can also have this like a full January or something, like the full month name. And then these are all the standard formats since 2006, all these format, guys. So if you want, like you can search about this date format, guys, then you will know more further. Right now we are in a bit a little bit more advanced here. Okay, guys, so what I'm saying here is this program, guys, we will run. As you can see, I will explain a bit. This program we are about to take in this discussion, this series, is regarding this task scheduler. If you're using the Windows 10, you just type in the task scheduler if you don't know yet. So you just click this, then this all the items here. Normally, if you are keen with all this technology here, like this one is a very old technology in the existing Windows task scheduler, guys. Normally, when we will create a new task here, like a basic task or something that you want to run, guys. This one, for C# kind of things, all these other Windows programming one, they don't have this they don't have this kind of a heartbeat inside, guys. This is what I have known for, but you just comment below if you know. But in Golang, guys, we don't actually need this task scheduler, because our program itself will have its own clock, will have its own heartbeat. This is what we call a Go routine, guys. It's a concurrency program, so we don't need all of these things here to run. We can run our program by itself, but not in this level, like you need to schedule your program. I hope you can get my point, guys, because right now, if you have a C# program, for example, or BV6 program, BV or Visual Studio.NET, or any kind of programming language that you have the executable also, guys. You need to build and then execute. You need to have a executable program. Like for example, you have a console in C# console application. You can schedule here, like you have if you want to run a batch job, then you can schedule and look for that executable file there, and then it will just execute every one. It's up to you. It's up to you whatever you want to schedule, guys, with some certain parameters here. In that kind of level only. But in our program, in Golang program, it will be more deeper than this. We no need to schedule here in the Windows Task Scheduler. We can go install into the OS level there, like the Windows service, like what we did last time in Go Copy series there. If you miss out that series, guys, I recommend you to go back there first, and then you can watch all those videos and learn how we deal with the Windows OS. I mean the Windows services. This is what I'm talking here, guys, if you jump directly to my video. So here we can schedule our Go program here, like a normal OS, like a normal software service, guys, that we can install. In no need for us to schedule here our Go program, our Go executable. No need for us to schedule here in the task scheduler. We will go directly to the OS level there, which is the services. So we install our Go program, Go executable, or Go microservices program, whatsoever that purpose for that executable Go program. You can install here directly. If you have access here in the services of your servers or your whatsoever, guys, you can install it directly. That's what we did in last time in Go Copy program here, that we set up one Go Copy software and then run as a service. Right now, this is good in Golang, guys, because other programming languages, like for example the C#, because I have this where I'm doing the C# also, but I'm not that keen. I'm sorry, but I really don't prefer the C# thing. It's up there, guys. It's just my opinion. But Golang is more deeper than that, because we can set up more here. C# is good in most likely for the Windows kind of thing, guys, because they are all Windows interoperability. Right now in Golang, we're about to take this new software that we're about to take care all these this TSNotify. We will take care all these items. For example, these are all running ready, or if someone disabled this notification, this status here, guys. For example, this is one of your, this is running, so we can detect that this item here is running or disabled, or suddenly there is some error based on the event ID, guys. So this is what I'm talking here, that we can take care all these items here then we notify that there's some error, throwing like these errors here, guys. For example, like for example, this one is there is a history, or this one is disabled. So normally there is a log here, something, guys, like we can detect like all these status here whatsoever, guys. So in our next video I will go deeper on this part here. Right now we are doing the installation yet. I just give you some quick overview of what we are about to do in this series, guys. So we will take care all these items here. This is very important for system administrator or your bosses there, because you want to know that this program, is it running or not. If any fail or any critical application that we want to monitor, or we need to push the data to our backend server, or whatsoever this purpose of these items here, then we will take care. If this one is not running, if someone disabled, then it will automatically in real time it will be notified as whoever is there in the list. So we will do this, guys, so no worries. So at the moment we can continue here first. Okay, I just close this. This is the installation for all this Cobra. Kind of will have this discussion. So we will continue a bit, guys. Okay, so we will about to take care all this what do you call the main here, and then all this root first, then we can have this thing. We can continue, guys, and then okay, guys, so this is the sample, guys, from the Windows event viewer. So you need to go to this part here. This is the event viewer, guys. So we need to go all the operationals here. And this one is my laptop, guys, so I don't have much here. Maybe I will take all the operational here, that there is an event ID. For example, guys, most likely is in a maintenance here. Like there is an event ID here, then we can capture all these errors here, guys. Like for this, like this, for example, is a warning error. Event ID is 808. So most likely our program will, all the operation is all here only, guys. Only all the items which found in this task scheduler will be located all here only, guys. So these are all the, for example, you have the history has been disabled here. So in my laptop, so I cannot properly do this here yet. Probably I will create a new item here in our next discussion, guys. So we will have some history here. Then if there is some error or something, then we will know, guys. So probably we can simulate here this part. So most likely our program will auto detect if any new logs here that we need to take care all the event ID. So as we go along, we will do this, guys. So no worries about that. We will just continue to set up whatever we can set up here first, and then we can continue further in our next schedule series here, guys. So see you in my next video here, so stay tuned, guys. So that's all for today, guys, and I hope you learned here in our tutorial series number 1. We are still in the series number 1. We are setting up all these Cobra CLI, because we are using the CLI program to make it lighter, guys. So we don't have much interface, because this one is more on the technical side, and just like what we did here in GoCopy in our previous projects. Like we created from scratch the backup scheduler, backup file scheduler. So we will do the same. We only have few commands here, because this one is we just want to run this everything in real time. No, we just we would like to run this in real time. Like this is what Golang is good about, guys, also, because we have our own internal heartbeat. Then we use this like the go routines, these go routines and channels that we have these, and then paired it with the config.yaml file, all this configuration, guys. Then based on the event ID, then we can have all these errors in real time using this Windows Task Scheduler. So hopefully you enjoy our tutorial series here, guys. So we'll see you in my next tutorial series here in Maharlikans Code. So keep tuning in, guys. If you like this video, please consider subscribing so that you can have more videos and more small projects or projects here, and all the techniques here in Maharlikans Code that I would like to share it with you guys in a real world experience. Then I will share it with you. Then please consider subscribing. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you in my next video here in Maharlikans Code. May God bless us all. Thank you, and bye bye.